Can you imagine having hiccups that never stop? Meet Charles Osborne, who hiccuped for 68 years straight. His hiccups began in 1930 and lasted until 1990. That's over 43 million hiccups in total. His case is even in the Guinness World Records. Imagine living with that for nearly 7 decades. Charles's story is one of persistence and mystery. What would you do if you had hiccups like that? His life was filled with challenges and laughter. Join us as we explore this fascinating tale.